One.
Uh,
And good morning. Today we will be reviewing adaptations and what rainforest animals need in order to survive. Tomorrow we will be introducing a final project because after today we will have gone over the Arctic, oceans, deserts, and now rainforest. So you'll have known a lot about those 4 habitats. So we're going to be linking those videos below. If you missed them, you can review them. That way, if you want to participate in the final project, should be a lot of fun. It kind of refreshes your memory on those, okay? Before we get into today's experiment, there are a few terms that we need to know about the rainforest. So Danielle's going to go ahead and share those with us.
Okay, so the first word we have is a review word, adaptations. We've done this every single time we explain vocab. So any behavioral or physical characteristics of an animal that help it to survive in its environment. These characteristics fall into 3 main categories: body parts, body coverings, and behaviors.
The second word we have is diet. A diet are the kinds of foods that a person, animal, or community eats all the time. You're muted, Danielle? Danielle, you're muted.
Ooh, so many technical difficulties on this side. The herbivore is an animal or person that feeds on plants.
Nice. And a carnivore is an animal or person that feeds on meat.
And an omnivore is an animal or person that feeds on both plants and meat.
So if you've been tuning in, you know exactly what our next step is. We're going to be playing a game. This time we're only going to do it for 30 seconds. But in those 30 seconds, if you want to be a contestant with us, all you need is a piece of paper and a pencil. And we're going to be coming up with as many words as we can about the word rainforest, since that is our habitat for today. Are my contestants ready?
Ready.
All right, 30 seconds. Ready, set, go.
Go.
All right, pencils up, please. Very nice. We're going to start with Karosh today. What words did you get?
I just got 8.
Nice.
Nice.
That's pretty good.
I got bird, tree, leaf, and then rain, forest, toucan, bug, and fly.
That's clever with the rain forest. I like that. All right, let's go ahead and go to Mandana. How many did you get, Mandana?
I got 15 words.
15 words in 30 seconds. I can't even get 10 words in a minute.
That's really impressive. What words did you put on there?
Okay, so I got birds, rainy, wet, green, cold, pouring, sprinkling, stormy, colorful, sloth, cheetah, panda, toucan, frog, and loud.
Very nice. Danielle, what did you get?
Frog.
I got 10 words, and I got tree, humid, birds, tree frog, panda, canopy, toucan, monkey, prairie dog, and plants.
Ooh, good ones. I guess Mandana is our winner today. Nice job.
Yay.
So I heard all of you, or I think everybody, did say some type of bird, which is awesome because that is basically the main animal that we're going to be focusing on in the rainforest today are the birds. There are over 1,500 species of birds in the rainforest, so that's pretty crazy. Let's see, Karosh, what do birds in the rainforest mostly eat?
They eat all kinds of things like seeds, fruits, grass, leaves, and plant shoots. Since they do not eat meat, this makes them herbivores.
That's right. And since seeds are tricky to crack, many birds have to have strong beaks to get the edible seed. Different birds have different diets, so they have different shaped beaks, which is pretty cool because those beaks suit their needs. This is a physical adaptation that helps them to survive in their environment.
Yep, and there are some birds that are carnivores. I just wanted to mention that. I realized we need to probably make that known, but some eat fish and stuff like that too. So, in fact, all animals have certain physical characteristics that make eating more efficient based on their diet. Rainforest animals like jaguars or snakes have sharp teeth and really strong jaws because they're carnivores, right? I like to think of some physical adaptations that animals have as tools to help them survive. Madonna, how easy would it be for you to eat buttered noodles with toothpicks?
Oh, not very easy at all. Well, actually, I could do it, but it would take forever to finish the whole bowl of pasta.
Right? Ain't nobody got time for that. And that is my point. Depending on the animal and what they eat, they all need different tools to get the job done efficiently.
True, and I know Karosh likes to eat sushi a lot, so maybe not as much as he can right now, but I think he's gotten really good at adapting to chopsticks.
Yeah, I've gotten pretty good at using chopsticks, though I still use chopstick helpers sometimes just because they're easier. But yeah, just like Danielle said, this whole thing with us staying at home, I've had a lot less sushi, as in no sushi, and it's so sad.
Oh, Karosh without sushi. That is sad. I don't like to think about that. So that brings us to today's experiment. As I mentioned, there are over 1,500 species of birds in the Amazon rainforest alone. Mandana, did you have a question first?
I just had a comment. Dragon is making a lot of noises on my chair, so if you hear a bunch of noises, it's her.
That's what's going on. She's so cute. All right. So although many of them have similar diets, some of them are quite different. Our experiment today is going to simulate what it might be like to be a bird in the rainforest. Let us explain. So Karosh, can you first tell us what we need in order to complete the experiment?
So you're going to need, first you're going to need 2 toothpicks. Wait, let me grab them. They're flying away. You're going to need 2 toothpicks. Next, you're going to need 2 straws. You're also going to need 2 spoons. You're also going to need beans, but if you don't have beans, you can use maybe a kind of nut, a cashew or something. Just make it sure it's like a hard thing around the size of a bean. Like Mandy, I think are those beans or almonds?
They're actually peanuts. I couldn't find any beans.
See, you can take a substitute for that.
I have coffee beans.
Perfect. Those are
marshmallows. Next, you also need some rice. So I just have dry rice, not cooked rice. And then you just need a medium-sized bowl. I just have like this coconut bowl. It doesn't really matter.
perfect.
All right, so you also need pencil and paper for notes and a timer, and Mandy's going to be our timer today. So thanks, Karosh, for that. Mandana, can you take us through the steps of the experiment?
Sure thing. Basically, we want to see which tool is the best at picking up each type of food. So we have 3 tools. So we're going to try it with our toothpicks. Then we're going to try it with our straws. And then after that, we're going to try it with our spoons.
Right.
We have 3 different types of foods. We've got beans, marshmallows, and rice. We will put 20 seconds on the clock and test each tool on each food type. Some tools might work better than other tools. I'm voting for spoons.
Nice. I'm also voting for spoons, right? That's a useful tool we know as humans too. So everyone should have all of these items in front of them. In fact, this would be a good opportunity to kind of point your screens down like Danielle has so that people can see, because this might be a little bit funny actually. Picking up beans and such with toothpicks, it's going to be a difficult thing. So first you pour out a handful of each item in front of you. You can create a placemat like we have and label them, beans, marshmallows, rice. You don't have to do that.
Oh, I didn't label mine. Sorry.
That's okay. You don't have to. Just make sure you've got a clean space to do it. All right. So once everybody has, let's see, thumbs up when you have that and show them in your camera. And Karosh,
I can't fit my marshmallows in my camera, but I could just use each thing one at a time.
Yeah, that works. So Karosh, which food do you hypothesize will be the easiest to pick up?
Marshmallows. Probably. I think marshmallows will be the easiest with all of them because you could stab the marshmallows with your toothpick.
True.
And then I have a strategy for the marshmallows with my toothpick. I'm not going to tell you. You can also scoop the marshmallows with your spoon and, I don't know, stab or suck the marshmallows with your straw.
Very nice.
The hardest will probably be grains of rice with toothpicks.
Right? I have no idea how we're going to do that. I'm
Is that
imagining.
even possible? Like picking up a grain of rice with a toothpick?
Right? I think it's going to be very tricky.
And don't suck up too much rice with your straw if that's how you do
I
it.
got a strategy.
Yeah, please
Keep in mind that we're all on a team here and all of our numbers are going to be averaged later. So let's work together on this to
Wait, so
test.
you are or aren't allowed to suck with your straw?
That's okay. And the reason I'm saying it's okay is because there are birds in the rainforest, like hummingbirds, that actually do kind of use a sucking motion in order to get the nectar. So, you know, that kind of simulates that bird. So I'm okay with that.
All right. So we're going to do 20 seconds for each food type. So that means I'll be using my toothpicks and placing as many beans as I can into my bowl. Then we'll do the same with marshmallows and rice. All right, Mandy's gonna put 20 seconds on our timer. Reminder, you are only using the toothpicks and only trying to get as many beans as you can into your bowl for the first time. Got it?
Yes.
Okay,
All right.
so I'll put my rice away and I'll get my stuff ready, and my beans are cashews with toothpicks.
Okay. All right, guys. Are you ready, birds?
We're all doing this at the same time.
Yep.
Right? Okay, here we go.
Get set. Go.
Okay, nice.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Bro, I'm on a roll. Let's go.
Bro, I haven't gotten one.
Either.
I have 4.
Your beans are easier.
No, they're not. Bro, at least with beans, you can stab them.
Oh, timer up.
Guys, I didn't even get one.
Bro, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Also, I have a
Parenting.
strategy for the rice.
Oh my goodness. That was way harder than I thought it was going to be. And
Let's
I'm
go.
pretty sure the one that I did get was because my fingers touched. I think I kind of cheated by accident.
Oops.
All right. So
I
now
can
we're
roll
going
as
to
a
do the
win.
same thing, but we're going to do it with, ooh, gross. Let's do it with toothpicks and marshmallows this time. So same tool, same beaks. All right.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna have to maybe move my camera differently because my marshmallow. Or actually, you want to know what I could do? I could just place the marshmallows down.
So I think I'm gonna
Marshmallows are huge.
I know. So
Yeah.
again, our experiment is not completely controlled because we're going to have some with big marshmallows, some with small. We're doing the best we can, right?
Yeah.
smaller pieces.
Okay.
Are you guys ready?
Toothpicks?
Toothpicks and marshmallows. You can leave the beans in here. We're going to count them all at the end. Get set.
Oh, I didn't. Well, I had like 6 beans.
Okay. Get set.
I took them out.
Oh, they're sticky.
Yes, I'm doing well. I feel like maybe.
Nice. Good. Because you're on our team.
Wait, we have teams?
Yeah. Our teams are everybody on the same team because we want to see how many we can get total.
Oh.
Nice. Oh!
Is that time?
Marshmallow is stuck. Okay. All right. And I'm going to guess. Now
Okay.
it's toothpicks. Yeah, I kind of need a snack.
So I'll add back in my 6 cashews that I got.
Okay, that'll work. No worries.
Oh no.
3,
Okay, I have no idea how this is gonna go.
5.
Nana, are you ready? This time it's our toothpicks and rice.
Okay, so I'm not going to tell you my strategy for. Actually, wait. Since we're all on the same team, maybe I should tell you my strategy for the rice.
Yeah.
and toothpicks.
What is your
So,
strategy?
what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the toothpicks together so there's a little crevice in between and lie the rice along this crevice instead of trying
Smart.
to pick it up.
Oh,
Time with
dude.
this curve?
Maybe not like that. I was just going to hold them completely together and just try to scoop
gotcha.
rice. Like a spoon. I don't know.
All right.
Actually, my bowl is getting pretty full. I should probably put them in something else so they don't like get lost.
Are you guys ready? Get
Ready.
set.
Wait, whoa. Wait. Sorry.
You're good.
Okay.
Get set.
Okay.
You ready now, Karosh?
Yep, I'm ready.
Go.
Oh no.
Actually, that was a good strategy.
Oh, I got 2 grains.
Up a little bit, it does help.
Yeah. I'm getting some grains. Let's go.
That was smart. So we're scooping motion. I wish I used this strategy with my beans. Nice.
Okay, I got a lot of grains.
I got 8.
So everybody take a minute to count every item. If you need to write it down, that's okay. I'm gonna write them on the board for everyone to see.
Okay, so for my cashews or beans, I got 6.
Okay, yep, Karosh, you can tell us each. So 6 were your cashews, Karosh?
Okay, for my marshmallows, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Woo!
10 marshmallows.
Nice.
And then for my grains of rice, you can go to the next person. I'm gonna have to count this.
Okay, so next person is Mandana. How many beans did you get?
0.
Okay. How many pieces of marshmallows?
7.
7?
Yeah. I think I'm
Nice.
your
You're getting your
marshmallows.
average up. Rice?
Rice is 8. 8 grains of rice.
8 grains of rice.
I
Karosh?
got 28 pieces of rice. That's literally like, that's the perfect number.
Yeah, that's true. That is your lucky number.
That's
And
my-
then Danielle, what are your numbers?
I got 0 beans.
Okay.
I got 8 marshmallows, and I got
Do we reuse the marshmallows?
You can.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna need more marshmallows.
also 28 rice.
Wow.
Yes, you may have some marshmallows, Mandela.
All right. I'm putting my numbers up as well. Marshmallows, I got 9. Rice,
Spoon's gonna be overpowered.
I got 25. And then beans, I got 1.
Hey, at least you got one.
Yeah. All right. So if you can't see, go ahead and set up your placemats, empty your bowls. But for our audience, this is our results for beans. Definitely the least amount with our toothpicks. Rice, we did surprisingly really well. We have some over 20. And then marshmallows, we did pretty good as well. Some around 10. So very nice.
How many rice grains did you get, Mandy?
I got 25 rice strains because I used your strategy.
Yeah, that strategy was last minute.
It was
Yeah,
smart,
okay.
and now we know for ones to come as well. All right. Thumbs up when you're ready for the next tool.
Which one is it?
I think we want to do straws next.
I've got paper straws.
I'm using my phone as our timer. All right, does everyone have their 2 straws ready?
I have my 2 straws ready.
Okay, let's go ahead and start with beans. And Karosh asked if you can like suck with these, and yes, you can. That's totally fine. All right.
Well, in that case, I have a strat. I don't even need my second straw.
Yeah. Get set. Go. Ah! All right. Whew.
I'm lightheaded, but still, I definitely won. Let's go.
Well, that's good because you're on our team. You did get a lot. Nice work.
Oh, but I'm lightheaded from all that sucking.
Me too. Good work. Okay.
Okay.
Are we ready for our marshmallows?
Yep.
Wait, let me just put these
Okay.
aside. Wait. Okay, grab my marshmallows. I think marshmallows with the straws is probably going to be the hardest. You're just going to have to chopstick them.
Yeah, I almost wonder if that would be easier than, yeah, we'll see.
Okay.
Depends on your lung capacity.
Right? Get
Yeah.
set, go.
No, I'm not sucking it. That failed. No.
This is so easy. I'm gonna get all my marshmallows.
Yeah, actually, the chopstick method is definitely easier.
I literally just got all my marshmallows.
Mandy got all of her marshmallows and her time hasn't run yet.
All right, that's time.
Okay, I got a bunch of marshmallows too.
Now,
Oh, I
this
just realized I could have done even better. We could have grabbed multiple marshmallows and go in a single go.
I bet it was hard with the big marshmallows to even suck it all. You had to go chopstick route, didn't you?
Yeah, I was just using chopstick method.
I'm just gonna put them all back because I got all of them.
Nice.
Yeah,
All
I
right,
was definitely not sucking because yeah, they're huge.
This next one actually comes with a safety warning. If you are going to suck, then please be careful. Do not go too hard and choke on it, right? Be careful.
Just did.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm not sucking. I have a better strategy.
I'm gonna try and suck slowly.
I'm
No,
gonna try to
I'm
use my thumb.
Do you
Oh,
wanna hear
that's a
my
good
strategy,
idea.
guys?
Use your thumb as a stopper.
Uh-huh.
No, guys, do you want to hear my strategy?
Sure.
Just scoop it into the straw and use the other one to put it inside the straw. And once you feel like you filled the straw, and to pick it up and dump it out.
All right.
Good thinking. Okay, I'm gonna try that as well. Get
Okay.
set. Go.
Oh yeah, I think this is gonna work.
Ah.
It's not working as great as I'd like it to, but it's working.
Oh, I didn't even get any on that one. Okay.
Yes.
All right.
I got a lot of
Straws
grain.
up. Okay, guys, start counting.
Okay, I'm gonna
We'll
count.
start with Karosh again.
That's a lot of rice grains.
All right, beans.
All right.
How many beans did you get, Karosh?
Wait.
I'm putting mine up here. I got 8 marshmallows. I have 10 beans.
I have 18 beans, Mandy.
18 beans for Danielle. Nice.
57 grains of rice.
You're kidding me.
No, that strategy was amazing.
Nice.
I'm just a natural rice picker-upper.
I guess so.
Mandy, I got 20 marshmallows.
20 marshmallows.
Mm-hmm.
That's really good.
I did not do so hot on the rice, though.
Yeah, me neither.
Okay, now I gotta count my other things.
Got 9 grains of rice.
9 grains of rice.
And I got 3
I got
beans.
20 cashews.
Okay. 20
So 3 beans.
Donna, what did you say for that other one?
3 beans.
3 beans?
And then I got all of my marshmallows, which is
And I got 16 marshmallows.
Nice.
Well, I don't think we have enough materials for us to get the most with spoons.
Wait,
And
did you
I'm
say you
not
had
counting-
20 beans, Karosh?
I got 20 beans, I think. Is
Oh,
what
okay. I put by accident 20 marshmallows. How many marshmallows did you get?
16 was it? Wait, let me recount.
Okay.
I got
16.
15 marshmallows.
16.
And Madonna got 16 marshmallows.
I also got 16 marshmallows.
I got 15.
What'd you say, Madonna?
15.
Oh,
marshmallows.
sorry.
Also, by the way, with the spoons, I am not counting my grains of rice.
I'm
It
probably
was
gonna
hard
get
enough to already count my 50 some.
All right, let's see our results. So we did way better on beans with our straws. You can see our comparison with our toothpicks. Rice was also better with our straws. And marshmallows was also better with our straws.
Mandy, will you write down my rice?
Yeah, what was your rice?
22.
That's pretty good. It's not a 57, but it's pretty good. I'm just joking.
All right. Okay, so now we are on to spoons. So go ahead and reset your placemats if you haven't already. If you think that you're gonna need more of
Here, my desk looks all neat and stuff, but if you look literally anywhere else on my desk, it's a complete mess and complete clutter.
That's okay. All right, guys, we are kind of running out of time. We still have time on here, but we'll have to run through this kind of quickly on this last one. If you get through all of them in 20 seconds, because I have a feeling our spoon is going to be pretty efficient, that's okay. Just go ahead and say you got them all. All right?
Yeah.
All right. I'm not sure where Mandana went, but we'll wait for her to come back. So are our predictions right so far?
Dragon's sleeping on my pillow.
Did you think that the straws were going to beat the toothpicks?
I actually, not for all of the things, because I didn't think my straw would beat cashews instead of my toothpicks. I actually was kind of surprised by that, but the sucking method really worked.
Nice. So while we wait for Mandana, I'm going to add some of these up. So we've got 7 beans total.
But I'm pretty confident about my spoon predictions.
Oh, Mandana's ready. Okay.
All
All
let's
right.
do it.
Spoons. Get your beaks ready. Get set and go.
And I am out of beans.
That's okay.
This one's more of just like a timed go instead of like a how many you get. Just like
All right.
how fast can you get all of them? Not
Exactly. All right, marshmallows when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay.
Wait, I need to put these back.
Okay, marshmallows. Got the bag, and then grabbing all of these ones.
I just got all of them, so it doesn't matter.
Then wait. Okay, I am ready.
All right. Lost my timer for a minute. Are we ready? Get set, marshmallows, go.
Oh God, marshmallows isn't as great for me because they don't fit multiple at a time. It's just one in every spoonful.
Add all the Martians.
Nice.
Yo, get off.
I dropped one on the floor. I think I'm about to do better with straws than I am with spoons.
Okay, all right, stop.
I got 15, one less than I did with straws. Oh my God.
All
Because
right.
I dropped one on the floor.
Yeah, we already know what's gonna happen with rice.
All right, rice.
Wait. I have to put my marshmallows down. Okay.
Ready,
Rice.
set, go. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this is overpowered.
We're not going to count every grain, I'll tell you that right now.
I will. I'll count your grains too. It's fine. I have the time.
After the video.
Just two.
It's hard to get it once it's like not
Yeah,
very
the
much.
last few grains, like I'm having trouble
All right.
with.
Spoons down,
How many grains did you miss?
spoons down.
How many
Yeah.
grains didn't you get? 4.
Right, maybe that's an easier way to count. All right, guys, give yourself some time to count up at least your big items and then just show us how many you got in your bowls for rice.
I got 15 marshmallows. I got this many grains of rice and this many cashews.
All right, you said 15 marshmallows, Karosh?
Yeah, I know it's less than my straws. Don't make fun of me. I'm just joking.
How many beans did you get?
I'm not counting all of this. This
Oh,
is way too many.
you got a ton of them. I'm going to say like 30 plus is what I'm going
This
to
is probably 50 plus. That's why I'm not counting it.
Okay. You're a clear winner here, right? Of which tool was best.
Yeah, so clearly the toothpicks like won by a landslide.
20 marshmallows. Does anyone have a number to share?
I've got like 40 marshmallows and at least 50 beans and probably like, I'm going to guesstimate about 100 grains of rice.
Okay. Yeah, everyone give me an estimate on their rice. You don't have to give me an exact number on rice, okay?
This looks like about maybe 400, 500.
I got 16 marshmallows.
Okay, 16 marshmallows for Mandana.
I'm gonna go at about like 100 grains of rice.
Okay, about 100 grains of rice.
Well, I counted my 50 and I saw what my 50 looked like. So this is probably like 400 grains of rice, I would say. Because this is a bowl, so it goes deeper than this. So you just see the first layer.
Yeah, you did get a lot of rice.
I just grabbed a bunch of rice. I'm not like, it's not that I'm better than you. It's because of spoons. Literally, it's just because I grabbed more rice
Yeah.
in the first place.
Mandana, how many beans did you get? Oh, okay. Well, just give an estimate because we might not have time to count them all.
Okay, so this is about like 36.
Okay.
I'm gonna go with the solid 70.
Solid 70. Okay.
It's a bean.
So we've got 200 plus per spoon here. 700-ish pieces of rice.
Do we get to eat the marshmallows now?
That's fine with me. And about 100. I'm doing rough estimates now.
Not that many marshmallows. Dragon, come here. Come here, Dragon. Come on, let me show you to the camera.
Okay, I'm doing rough estimates, like I said.
Excellent.
All right, so just to look at our results here. For spoons, we got about 200 plus. We got 700 plus for rice and about 100 marshmallows. So definitely a clear winner there, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's move right along. We only have a little bit of time. Danielle, why don't we share the picture of the birds?
Okay.
We'll go from there. All right, so the bird in picture 1 is a harpy eagle. Mandana, why do you think this bird's beak is shaped like that?
Well, the bird's beak is kind of shaped like a spoon because it is curved and it has a hook. This must help the bird eat and tear up meat.
Yep, and you're exactly right. This bird is actually a carnivore. Now, this bird in picture 2 is a black-eared fairy. Oops. Yep. Next picture. Good. Okay, so we have 2 pictures here, one on the left and one on the right. The one on the right is a black-eared fairy hummingbird. That's the only one we'll go over today. But it lives in the tropical forests of South America, and it has a long, skinny beak. Karosh, what do you think that this bird eats?
Well, because the bird's beak is long and skinny, I'm guessing that it eats small seeds or tiny insects. I know a beak like that would be great at tearing up meat.
You're right. This bird eats nectar and very small insects, so it's not going to be good at tearing up meat. Here are some other beaks to take a look at. This is an awesome diagram because it shows us the bird, the beak type, and what it eats.
Yes, I'm going to link that below so you have a little more time to take a look at it. This was awesome. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you tune in with us tomorrow. We're really excited to go over our final project about habitats. Anybody have anything to add real quick? We have less than a minute. Mandana?
I don't have anything to add.
This should be fun. Make sure you eat the marshmallows when you're done.
Yeah. Now we've got a nice morning snack.
Bye.
Bye.